In the package we downloaded from the developer.sabre.com, beside the documentation that we already went through, there's also the concierge installer file. This is the best way to start with the Sabre Red 360 SDK and RedApp development. When we run it, it will install each and every necessary thing necessary for the, once again, web RedApp development. Okay, we are focusing on the web side of things. So when we run it, the standard installation wizard pops up. We have to select a folder where it will install Concierge. Concierge is a main tool when it comes to packaging, building and exporting the web RedApp. So we go next. We also need the node, and we need something called offline bundle. Offline bundle contains all the APIs exposed by the Sabre Red SDK. Okay, go next. The installation may take a while, but after it will be done, you will be able to create your own RedApps. Okay, then you go next, and the installer is processing files, so installing the concierge tool, is setting up the environmental variables and so on. Okay, after it's done, you go next, done. Then after opening any command line tool, you should be able to go to enter ngv command -v, and it should pop up version of the concierge tool. In my case is 6.0.4. Just like I've mentioned before, it's a tool that helps creation of the RedApp with development, builds, tests, running in the SRW cert environment, and exporting bundle that can be then imported into prod environment. So now you are ready to write your own first RedApp.